This 2025 Dutchmen Kodiak SE280BHSL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchmen is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 11, auxiliary battery, LP detector, spare tire kit, smoke detector, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, awning, air conditioning, slide-out, refrigerator, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Dutchmen Kodiak SE280BHSL is 5,457 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.